bowling as quick as he can and doing it pretty easy.
Well, the short leg's back in position. Shahid Afridi at leg gully. It's pretty close there. Oh, that's 4. That's a very, very good delivery. Batsman didn't have much control over that one. It was a magnificent delivery.
That's unbelievable pace and bounce. That's anybody who can bowl quicker than that. I'd like to see him, but that's just taken off. That is, if Rashid Latif stood on first slip shoulders, he might have been a chance of getting a glove on that. Unbelievable delivery.
Shoaib Akhtar पैदाइश 13 अगस्त 19